Now there's a reason why this video took like 8 months to get done, and I think I found it. We're pumping this basin out. We do it every year to clean it, but the reason why this video wasn't made is because right there is the GoPro. I get it.
Yes.
There it is. There's a little bit of water in here. I'm sure the SD card's fine, so let's check out what's on this card.
So what I want to do, I'm going to take the Xmaxx, I'm going to run it on the ice, I'm going to drive it right through here where the spillway is and jump this dam. Now this dam is approximately 100 feet tall, but sometimes for content you just have to sacrifice something, and today it's going to be the Xmaxx. And that's why I added a bunch of foam to the bottom here, have it all zip tied in. I put some foam here on just so it floats, but that area right there, that area is about 12 feet deep, and that's the reason why I put so much foam on this. Now I have a lot of zip ties on this. I have the batteries zip tied in. I'm going to zip tie here and here. I'm going to zip tie it to the actual chassis, so if the body does separate from the truck, the zip ties will hold it on the truck, so that way it'll still float, because we don't drain that out until August. This ice is nice and thick. Don't have to worry about falling in. Okay, all right. It's ready to eat. Oh man, so I am kind of nervous. I have no idea what to expect. This isn't something you practice. This is a one and done run here. All right, here goes nothing. Here we go. Oh, it floats. It was a success. I don't see anything wrong with it. Did you hear when that hit? Oh, that was awesome. So let's go check it out. All right, just have to cross here. Oh man, that was awesome. I hope I got a good shot down here. Just have to cross here. It's right over here. It's still floating. It still goes. I can't believe it still goes. I don't see anything broken on it. I didn't look it over too good, but I don't see anything broken on it. It landed on its roof, which I had a GoPro right there, and the GoPro snapped off. So the GoPro is somewhere in there. Now I gotta wait till August till we pump this out to get that. But it still runs. It kind of like folded the body a little bit.